Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Ty with another new bullish crypto analysis. Before we dig in and take a look at Bitcoin's daily chart, remember this is for edutainment only and not to be considered as financial advice. Additionally, when you feel value has been added, feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments section or on Twitter. I would appreciate it. Before we dive into the chart, I want to cover a topic that was mentioned recently. Some say that the 2K upward movement that happened on Bitcoin yesterday was due to Do Kwon, the co-founder of Terra Luna, buying Bitcoin on spot market. I don't think so, because why would Do Kwon go and buy it on the spot market, driving up the price? So every following order, he has to pay higher prices. Sure, people are cited his wallet, the wallet addresses had change in fluctuations in balances and movements, etc. It just doesn't make financial sense to me. And someone in his position, I would imagine, would do what Michael Saylor does, which is buy it on over-the-counter, OTC. So I don't think so. So let's dig in. Where's the mouse highlighter here? Let's see. All right. Bitcoin hasn't done much. It basically just crapped sideways right here. This reddish horizontal line is the resistance line. I labeled it S/R means support/resistance, because sometimes it can act as both depending on how the price moves. And this one is labeled W1. That's W for it's used on the weekly chart. And the 425 is helps me remember the price, 42.5K. And you can see that over here. So yeah, it's been hanging around just right around that 42.5K, just slightly under it, the resistance line. That's it. That's pretty much since the last chart update. That's all it's been doing, just sitting there. It's just crabbing sideways. It reminds me of a bird sitting on a electrical wire. So Bollinger Band, the top of the Bollinger Bands here, the basis lines right in here, the bottom's here. It's just in between the top and the middle basis line for the Bollinger, more towards the top though. And also the ascending 50-day moving average right here is above that as well. Notice that this price level here is the second highest traded volume for the price level. This is the red bar here. Here's the highest level right here. Let's go down in the indicators and see some of them. The white J line here is going pretty much horizontally here. All three are pretty much going horizontally. The white moved from 95.2 to 88.3. It's slightly down, but not enough to call it a downward movement. So I gave it a crab. The white MACD line continues mostly sideways above the red signal line from 385.9 to 306.1, and prints the eighth brighter bullish histogram bar. I gave that a bull. Remember, this lagging though. Down here, the red RSI line right here is crabbing sideways from 57.3 to 56.7. Gave it a crab. The aqua cumulative volume delta line, CVD, is also crabbing sideways. It went from 1.8126 million to 1.8112 million. So crab, got a crab. The white momentum indicator, MOM, it's continuing to rise up. So momentum is still building. I don't know how, but it's still there. It went from 3,863 to 4,499. So that got a bull. Summary: overall, BT is likely to crap sideways around 42.5K, and yeah, that's that, unless something major happens. And 42K for tomorrow is where max pain is. I updated that here. So 42K for tomorrow. The day after is 41K. On 4/1 is 40K. On 4/6 is 42K. But these prices may change for the max pain. Something that you also notice is the with the 50-day moving average is now sitting at 40.7K because it's curving up. So overall, the chart gets a crab. And let's take a look at some other items. The heat map and liquidation levels. Let me open that up here. So first, the heat map. So here's the heat map. Not much has changed from yesterday. You get a sell wall at 45 here, a smaller one at 30, a smaller buy wall at 35, bigger buy wall at 32, 30, and 25. So not much has changed here. The 30K wall is still roughly around 528. That's down from a week ago. So, and that's the heat map. Let's go over to look at the liquidation levels map. Still long. We have an overage of longs here. The cumulative liquidation levels delta. It's currently sitting at 1.61 billion. You can see that not much has changed because it's been crabbing. So that's it. Pretty brief and short one. I appreciate your time. I still have the makeup video for Luna that was supposed to have done yesterday, but got some personal things I had to take care of. And I'll finish that up today and send it out. Appreciate your time. Peace. See you then.